Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. Today we are making this crunchy aloo 65 recipe. The potato balls will be loaded with flavor inside also. We are grating it and making it. This is unlike any other recipe online. Let's make aloo 65 today in Hyderabad style. The recipe is very quick and easy. Here I have taken 4 medium sized potatoes. These are just peeled raw potatoes. Now we will grate them. Try to use a thick grater like this one. If the grater is thin or if the shreds are thin, then the texture won't be there. Here I have basically grated 4 medium sized potatoes. Now let's add water. When we add water, all the extra surface starch comes out and the potatoes will also not get oxidized. Looks good. Now take some potatoes, try to remove all the extra moisture and put it in a bowl. In this mixing bowl, I have taken out all the potatoes. Now for making it crispy and crunchy, we will add maida and corn flour. So first plain flour or maida, 4 tablespoons, and we will add cornstarch. You can also use arrowroot. This is also 4 tablespoons. Now to make it flavorful, we will add red chili powder 1 tablespoon. Try to use Kashmiri red chili powder which is not very spicy, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 sprig of curry leaves which are roughly chopped, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. All the ingredients are in. Now we will mix it really well and try to bind it together. We need a semi-dough kind of consistency. It should be such that we can shape it easily. If you want to make dry pakoda style 65, that can also be done with the same recipe. You won't have to make any change. Here I have shaped it in an oblong kind of a shape. This looks good. Now let's fry them. The oil temperature needs to be medium because the potatoes are raw. Add them one by one. Don't touch them for the first 2 minutes and fry them until they are done. Once they are done, they will start to float. Try to avoid touching them for the first 2 minutes, otherwise they can disintegrate and break. Here you can see how these are getting the color slowly. These are super light and crunchy and golden now. Let's take them out into a plate. The potato balls are crunchy, isn't it? Now let's give them the 65 tadka. Here I have heated a iron kadhai. In this I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. As the oil heats up, we have to prepare the slurry also. Adding dahi is very important in 65. If we add it directly, it will split. So here I am taking 1 small spoon of corn flour and mixing it together. This way the dahi will not split. 65 is also known for its color, so you can use red food color if you want to. Here I am using red chili powder instead of red food color. So the slurry is ready. Now in the hot oil we will add red chili. These are 5 whole red chilies which are broken into 2. Along with this I am adding 2 sprigs of curry leaves. We will fry it for about 5 seconds. The oil is very hot, don't burn them. Quickly we will add garlic. These are 10 small cloves of garlic chopped and 4 green chilies slit. We will fry these together for a minute in medium-high flame. Again, we don't want to brown the garlic, we need the rawness in this. So here you can see the garlic is ready. Now we will add the dahi mixture and cook it for about 15 to 20 seconds. That's about it. Before adding the potatoes in, you can adjust the seasoning if you want to because we have added dahi also, right? So a little bit of salt can be added. You can also add black pepper powder if you want to. Here I am adding the potato balls, and after giving it a mix, our aloo 65 is ready to eat. Tangy, spicy, garlicky, crunchy. You will totally love the taste of this aloo 65, guys. Try it out, share feedback if you enjoyed it. You can click the like button. If you did not like it, you can click the dislike button. See you soon with one more video. That's all for today. Bye guys, take care.